It was raining. The rain is going away just in time for the grand opening. The marching band is here. Roasted red bell peppers. Who likes roasted red bell peppers? Woo! Ow! Raul getting the corn ready for the bacon fried corn. Oh yeah! Getting the bacon ready for the bacon fried corn later.
Our local store manager, Kevin Forsgren. Bring it on up, Kevin.
Breakfast quesadilla mix, cilantro, eggs, sausage, and of course, green chili.
Just showing up.
Let's see, so just, let's see, how many we get out of these? 4, 8. No? 2, 4, 6, 8, yes. I wasn't very good at math, right? Ow! Self-filming with the phone, just trying to bring some content. Breakfast quesadillas. Bacon fried corn. Bacon fried corn coming up later.
All right.
Chicken street tacos up next. Yeah, put everything on this one. And then some lime, a little crema.
Bow your heads for a list of local Vietnam dead.
Man, that's a good looking taco. Man, are you sure you don't work on a taco truck in your time off? Woo! Woo! Oh, look, and look who just showed up. Look, wait a minute. Now that's a shirt right there. Wow.
Oh, that's the best tacos.
It was the best taco ever.
Highly recommend. Best tacos, Blackstone.
So this guy is the GOAT. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna take it to a special place.
Very beautiful.
I think he just
First time we've ever done bacon fried corn with a polar bear. Polar bear getting kind of warm. Needs some bacon fried corn.
It's
Wow.
awesome.
Having a blast here in Eagle Mountain. This is an absolutely beautiful store. Beautiful location. Take a bite.
This is really good.
Churning through the food today. Colorado Cajun time. Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What a day. Insane, absolutely insane amounts of food. Check out the upper shelf of Blackstones. Look at this. Blackstones all over the garden center. Look at this. Blackstones, Blackstones, all the Blackstones. And they're like, it's balsamic. I'm like, I'm 50 years old at the time and you tell me this? Balsamic, not balsamic. Maybe I'm unofficially Canadian, huh? You guys worked painstakingly on that, didn't you? Roasted red bell peppers. Who likes roasted red bell peppers? Woo! Ow!
You can do it again.
No.
For the video.
Toddelloni coming up. We're just cheesing it up, baby. Make it rain. All right, roll. Shall we do it? Oh, it's heavy. Oh my goodness, that's a whirlwind. On the tour, we do 4 recipes, 5 recipes, 3.5 hours, and we are out of food. I mean, we fed well over 1,000 people. Only thing left to do now is shut it down for the day. Special pop-up for the grand opening here. And have a day off tomorrow. I have to edit video. And then I'll be up in Logan. We'll do a special Griddlemore stop up in Logan at the Walmart in Logan. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's been a blast here in beautiful Eagle Mountain, Utah. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the food. All right, roll. Shall we do it? Oh, it's heavy.